Millions of chickens, thousands of fertile eggs, one extraordinary production chain. But how does a simple egg become the chicken on America's dinner table?
An aerial view reveals the massive scale of modern agriculture. Here, thousands of healthy
These are from the morning collection. All right, send them down. We'll start candling next.
Ready to lift? On my count, 1, 2, 3. Got it, slide it in slowly.
The temperature graph is perfectly stable now. The system has fully taken over regulation.
Looks good. We'll continue monitoring the humidity levels.
Initiating the ventilation sequence now.
Confirmed. Air passages are clear and distributing evenly. we have stabilization. Temperature and humidity are optimal.
Confirmed. Recording the data now.
Make sure the ventilation is clear on row 3. The thermal reading is stable. Okay, seal the bay doors.
All right, bring it back slowly right here. Watch the clearance. We're ready to start unloading as soon as you're set.
Fans are running optimally. Did you confirm the brooders?
Yes, heaters are calibrated and ready for the chicks.
The depth looks good here, about 4 inches.
Yes, very consistent across the line. The heaters are ready too.
Temperature stable at 32 Celsius. We are ready for placement.
They're finding the feed pans quickly. The delivery rate looks good.
Agreed. Let's monitor the water intake closely this afternoon.
The feeding behavior looks strong over here. Yes, consistent growth across the board. The flow rate looks good on this line. Yeah, the birds are happy. Let's check the next one.
This one confirms the weight target. Breast muscle development is excellent.
Agreed. The uniformity across this section looks very good.
The average weight looks good across this section.
Agreed. Let's schedule the harvest for Tuesday morning.
All right, let's get these lines up.
Engaging the winch now. Clear the area.
Load the lower tier first.
Watch your spacing, don't rush them.
We're clear on this side.
All right, let's roll it out.
Make sure the stack is secure before the next rotation. Copy that. Watching the alignment now.
Inspection complete on row 4. All right, lift team, let's start moving these to the transport dock.
All right, keep coming straight back. Watch your left side. Okay, that's a line. Set it down.
Final inspection complete. We are cleared for transport. Everyone clear the doors.
Keep it coming back slow. Right there, hold it. All right, she's secure, boss. We're clear to unload.
Line 2 throughput is steady at 90%.
Acknowledged. Maintain current speed.
Check the manifest for the Texas load.
We're almost full here.
Syndicates. Every product has a process. Every process has a story. Follow ForgeMotion Labs for more extraordinary